Thinking about buying a home in Chandler, Gilbert, Mesa, or Tempe, but not sure where to begin? You're not alone. The very first step in your home buying journey isn't touring open houses. It's understanding what you can afford. Before falling in love with a property, it's essential to get pre-qualified for a loan. That means knowing your budget, what kind of monthly payment is comfortable, what expenses you'll need to plan for, like your down payment, closing costs, and other loan-related fees. I specialize in helping buyers navigate the home buying process from start to finish. And that begins with the right financial foundation. I work with experienced, trustworthy mortgage professionals who can walk you through the numbers and make sure you're set up for success. One of the most common mistakes buyers make is starting the house hunting before securing their financing. And that can lead to stress, delays, and even losing out on your dream home. Let's avoid that. Reach out today and I'll connect you with a trusted local lender and we can start your home ownership journey the right way. Informed, confident, and prepared. I'm Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker Realty, your dedicated home advocate.